Hello everyone. Ciao guys. I'm just coming down from the train now. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, whatever. This is evening my own side from my friend's place. And I have come again with some little talk. Okay, hello Facebook, thank you very much. WhatsApp, thank you. My friends in every corners of social media, thank you YouTubers, okay? Thank you very much. This is you, okay? For those who don't know me, I am Blessing by name, and I own a YouTube account, Best Blessed Kitchen, okay? Where I share a lot of things that I have able to get out. It's not much, but at least you can learn one or two things there. I am also a partner of LRWORLD. I'm here to talk more about LRWORLD, my guys. It's a product that you will be glad to have. Like I always say, it's an amazing company. They have been in Europe for 35 years in Greece, and they have been in about 28 countries, if I can remember very well. They're based in Germany. They are German products, and many people know about it, but many people don't know about it. But it's a very good product with high quality. Okay, guys. I'm looking at it. I'm sorry, I'm in my school. My technical school is there. So I just branched into doing a very quick video. I was supposed to be here today, but thank God the weather was good. And so I am to what I'm saying. This product is a good product, is a quality product that everyone will be glad to have around him. It's good for the skin, it's good for the body. They have a lot of the detoxification medicine that can help the detox your system. They have a lot of beauty products that have cosmetics. They have hair care products. They have products that can help a woman actually to be fertile. The product can help you as a woman who is getting ready and prepared to conceive a child, to be fertile. Okay, guys. So, and they have another product for a man or men who are ready and prepared to have a child with a woman. You understand? So they have very good quality. In fact, I am giving you a guarantee that you won't regret to use one of these products. They have a lot of goodies, and you can always participate. You can always be a customer, like I said. You can always just pass by the website and pick up what you want. You can pick up a perfume. You can pick up the cosmetics. You can pick up makeup. You can pick up things for your hair. You can pick up things for fertility. Okay, they are guaranteed in fertility drugs. Yes, they are guaranteed in fertility drugs. They will give you 3 months. If they give you 3 months and the 3 months they give you, you did not conceive, it means that you need a medical support. Okay, guys. So this is what I have to say to you guys, and I wish to share the link below, and I wish to come in again whenever I have a good news for you guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends so they can visit this website where they can see a lot of good things. They won't regret being part of it. Thank you guys. Bye.